See the rest? I'm gonna take the chicken and take it to the top.
Do you want the chicken?
So they think, where's the chicken, and then I have it in the crow's nest. Gonna fuck with
And you just keep having them come up there and try to kill you while you kill them all?
Yeah.
No, just yell down, I have your fucking chicken! You remember what island you were at? Cannon Cove, right?
I don't know.
No, Lone Cove. Okay, I'm actually kind of far. Not that far. Far. We do got to do a fort though tomorrow,
well,
because I need to
food
get
in the
those
kitchen.
accommodations for selling fort shit.
Yeah.
Everybody needs some food.
I'm gonna see if they notice the chicken missing.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the bananas and the shit.
Oh, you just get legendary shit for free?
She's standing
Kinda-
right on top of me, man. Her name is Mama Dragons. She doesn't even see me.
You just want to murder them all.
Ah, the chicken betrayed me.
Why did it betray you?
Somebody's on our ship,
Somebody's on our ship.
killing our chicken cage.
Killing our chicken cage.
Did you kill their chicken?
No.
Now where is he? Here he is. Oh, get him. Where'd he go?
You think you're our only chicken?
Oh man, why'd you
Wee's
killed our
Bees
chicken?
Legends.
But that was our chicken. Asma.
Oh, I died. Fuck.
You died to a family?
I killed the chicken though. You killed our chicken, hazmat.
No, but he killed our chicken.
He said,
I didn't mean to kill your chicken. I didn't mean to kill your chicken. I'm
Sleeping
sorry.
up there.
I meant to kill you.
To kill our chicken.
I wanted to steal your chicken. I didn't want to kill it.
Oh, you're so mean. What did the chicken do to you?
Nothing. I want it as a pet. I like chicken. I'm sorry I killed the chicken.
If you're hungry, here's a
Fuck
banana.
it.
No, I don't eat animals.
Here's a banana. Are you hungry?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
I just wanted the chicken.
Oh, look, we got another color. Fried
But
chicken,
you-
baked chicken.
I'm gonna find you again.
Why?
I want all your
You're
chickens.
gonna steal our next chicken.
Yes, I
Oh
want
my
all your
God.
chickens.
You're terrible.
I know.
You're a horrible pirate.
I know. That's what pirates do.
I want chickens. What the fuck?
She was laughing. I'm good. What can I say? I'm good with moms.
Want
They were fun people. Are we almost there?
going?
Oh, I see them. Hazmat! You killed our chicken!
All right, Hazmat, put the anchor up.
Just a second.
I do like that you are a pirate legend. I wish I was a pirate legend.
You're almost there.
Well, yeah, their ship is right there.
You get the chicken.
Right?
What?
I say you could get bit by that snake over there, and then it would technically take you back to your ship.
Yeah, well that's not...
And then you would have a badass purple light.
Yeah, I had all the lights already, so...
So,
There's another
Yeah,
gal...
I'm trying to get the white
Are we
one.
friends or what happened?
Yeah, we're friends.
So far, I need the white one.
Oh yeah, I got that recently.
I got the Gildan chicken.
Gilded chicken?
I've been trying.
Nice.
It just won't
Yeah.
let me get it.
Just...
that guy.
Ooh, that's a mistake.
Someone shot you?
I
Yeah.
gotta eat.
Yeah,
Now-
it's time for food.
Now we have to sink your ship because you keep shooting me.
I'm gonna miss out on my garlic bread.
You can stop shooting or I will sink this ship if you don't stop shooting.
Listen. Chris,
What?
you just went and got you a chicken.
What?
Alright.
Alright. Now see? Everything's better because we got a chicken. Oh, even a gold one. Nice.
Killed him?
That is terrible.
I don't know what happened down there. What are you talking about? No one's dead.
Who's dead? So where was the ship again?
So you had a two-man sailing galleon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just... There goes our chicken, man.
Fuck you, mama.
Our chicken. It's gonna die now.
God damn, our chicken.
How could you guys do this to a poor chicken?
I think even mama got annoyed.
We got a
Oh,
robot.
rowboat. Save chicken.